after coming here and getting into law of attraction, I thought, what if I could become a coach that helps people with all of these things that I just was able to do for myself? So I left my job entirely, and now I am coaching other people. And it is so fun to have them call me up and be like, Ryan, my life is so much better after talking with you. And I get to feel like, I'm getting paid for this? This is just, I would do this anyway. And
so Katie was for you, and you are for them, what we want all of your inner beings to be for all of you. In other words, because you don't want anyone to be dependent upon you for their alignment. And so the ultimate coach is setting them free to their own guidance system that is flowing forth from within.
Right. I like to think about it as even if I hadn't come across this event, I was going to be just fine, and it was going to be great.
Yes.
But coming here really helped clarify and make things faster and easier and more fun.
Yes. And
I feel like that's what coaching is about. And so when I'm working with people, I can see that even without me...
What coaching is about being detached enough from the vibration of their problems, because everyone who has a problem has already launched a fantastic solution into their vortex. A coach can step back from the problem because you're not engulfed in it, and can actually catch glimpses of the solution or the success that someone is looking for. So as you focus there, then you act as a sort of satellite dish that is beaming the signal of their inner being in a way that they can hear it. Everyone can't reach for and hear what Katie did for you. You were not in a place where you could feel the coaching coming from within. So she served as an external coach that you were accustomed to listening for. But what we're saying to all of you, you don't want to become addicted to that external coach, because then you can't go very far. Then you're just looking for someone else to be your cheerleader, where what you're really looking for is that inner guidance that is always there. Life has always been giving contrasting experiences, and life has always been launching the new desire. And the quest for all of you is to close that gap between the expansion that life has given you and your normal pattern of thought. Now, it's nice to have a physical coach who will encourage you to think thoughts that will yield to you more benefit. But the reason that we're being a little strong about this, and we're not discouraging you from anything that you're doing, we think it is wonderful. It's all part of your path, and it will continue to be. But the thing that has been tripping so many people up for so long is that you care too much what others do think about you. You've been looking for people to give appreciation to you. So many look outside of themselves for that approval, for that appreciation, for that pat on the back. And as you've trained yourself for that, then as long as someone is giving you their undivided attention, you're thriving. But if they turn their attention away, then you're sort of still in the place that you were in before they were there. And so you don't want to train people away from their guidance system by replacing their guidance system with you.
Absolutely
In
not.
this coaching, you got to teach them about their own guidance system. You got to teach them about their emotions. You got to help them to understand that when they feel good, they're in sync with their desires, and when they don't, they're not. And if you get that across, then you have coached them well.
Right.